It's not designed to address the content per se, which may receive certain First Amendment protections, but it's designed to address the addictive qualities, the addictive features of social media.
A child in their brain development doesn't have the ability to know that they're being sucked in to these addictive technologies.
Florida's new law, known as HB 3, bans children under 13 from creating a social media account and requires 14 and 15-year-olds to have parental consent.
You can have a kid in the house, safe seemingly, and then you have predators that can get right in there into your own home. You could be doing everything right, but they know how to get and manipulate these different platforms.
Melissa Henson, Vice President of Programs for Parents and Television Media Council, believes this bill could withstand attempts by big tech to shut it down.
It's an important first step, and if nothing else, a warning shot to these media companies that they need to clean up their act.
While Florida lawmakers don't call out specific tech companies, they point out regulations would apply to any social media site that tracks user activity, allows children to upload content, or uses addictive features designed to cause compulsive use. States including Arkansas, California, Louisiana, Ohio, and Utah have pushed similar bills, but Ohio and Arkansas were both blocked by federal judges.
Let's have different states try different proposals and see which ones are the most effective. And once we figure out which solutions are getting to the heart of the problem most efficiently, then that can become the model legislation to be adopted in other states.
The Florida law also requires age verification for porn sites. Legal challenges are expected as early as this week. Caitlin Burke, CBN News, Washington.
All right, thank you, Caitlin. Gordon, back to you.
Well, I applaud this law, and I would say it's high time. As a parent, please be aware of a term that is now part of our language, doom scrolling. And what that means is these sites are so addictive that teenagers, children, will spend hours scrolling through videos, and you can name the social media sites that they do it on. But it's absolutely addictive. And at the end of it, the user having this doom scrolling experience feels drained, feels tired, and certainly nothing productive has happened. They're getting sucked into an addictive behavior pattern. And the reason the companies want this is they know once the pattern is started, it will continue for their lifetime. As a parent, please exercise discretion. Know what your children are doing online. Know what they're doing on that phone. You can delete apps. You can do that on your own. But it would be wonderful if the state came along beside you and said, we're going to hold these companies responsible, make sure that age restrictions are established. I don't see anything in the Constitution that prevents a state from protecting children. And that's the bottom line on this one. We need to protect our